Maneshwari Chidrawal. In this video, I am going to cover this topic, tangent to a circle. Let us see what is tangent. Okay, I am drawing one circle here. Okay, if someone asks you, draw a line to this circle. So there are three possibilities to draw a line. I can draw a line like this, which is outside the circle. Or I can draw a line like this. Fine. This line intersects the circle at 2 points. Point A, point B. This line is called secant of a circle. Third possibility is I can draw a line like this, right? Which touches the circle only at 1 point. Only 1 point. This line is called tangent, where there is only one common point. Okay, the common point is called point of contact. Now let us see how many tangents you can draw from a point. If the point is inside the circle, if the point is on the circle, and if the point is outside of the circle. Okay. First thing, if the point is inside of the circle, this is the circle and let's say this is the point. How many tangents you can draw from this point? Okay, I am drawing one line from this point. Is this a tangent? No, it intersects the circle at 2 points. This is not a tangent. Drawing another line. This is also not a tangent. So if you draw any line from this point, it intersects the circle at 2 points. So that is not tangent. If the point is inside the circle, you can draw 0 tangents. Okay. Now let's see if the point is on the circle. This is a circle. Let's say this is 1 point. How many tangents you can draw from this point? Okay, I am drawing one line. Is this a tangent? Yes, because it touches only at 1 point, P. Okay, I am drawing another line like this. Is this a tangent? It touches the circle, intersects the circle at 2 points. So this is not a tangent. Yes, this line is tangent. Okay, I am drawing another line passing through this point. Again, this line intersects the circle at 2 points. That means this is not a tangent also. So, if the point is on the circle, then you can draw only one tangent to the circle. Okay, only one tangent. Now, let's see how many tangents you can draw if the point is outside of the circle. Okay, this is one circle and this is the point. Point A. Here I am drawing one line from point A. Is this a tangent? Yes. Second line. This is a tangent? Yeah. Now I am drawing another line. If I draw any line, another line from this point, it will intersect the circle at 2 points. So this is not tangent. If the point is outside of the circle, you can draw only 2 tangents. First tangent, second tangent. So only 2 tangents. Understood? Now let's look at some theorems. Let's look at first theorem. Theorem says tangent line and radius of a circle at the point of contact are always perpendicular. Okay, tangent line and radius at this point of contact, OP is the radius, they are always perpendicular. So this is the theorem number 1. If I name this as Q, OPQ angle is 90 degree. OP perpendicular to PQ tangent. This is the first theorem. Now let's see what is second theorem. Here C is point outside of the circle. And I have drawn two tangents CA, CB. Now second theorem is length of the tangents are always equal. Length of the tangent means CA is the length of tangent and CB is another length of tangent. They are equal. Okay. So this is the second theorem. CA is equals to CB. Length of the tangents are always equal. Remember this. Now let's look at some questions based on these theorems. This question says T is a point outside the circle. PT and QT are the two tangents to the circle such that angle POQ is 110 degree. Then find the value of angle T. Okay, we have to find this angle. How much? Now let's see how can we solve this. First theorem says radius and tangent are always perpendicular. So angle P is 90 degree. Similarly, this radius and tangent are perpendicular. So angle Q is 90 degree. Right? In quadrilateral OPTQ, sum of the all angles are 360 degree. Right? Angle P plus angle T, PT plus angle Q plus angle O is 360 degree. Now angle P is 90 plus angle T we don't know. I am writing it as X. Plus angle Q 90 plus angle O 110 is equal to 360. Now this equation is very simple. 90, 90, 180. 180 plus 110, 290. So X plus 290 is equal to 360. X is equals to 70. Okay. So angle T is 70 degree. Understood? Let's look at another question. Okay students, our next question says there are two concentric circles of radius 3 cm and 5 cm. So I am drawing two concentric circles. 3 cm and 5 cm radius. Now find the length of the chord of bigger circle which touches the smaller circle. Okay. Now what will be that chord E? I am drawing this chord AB. It is chord to the bigger circle and which touches the smaller circle. Fine? Okay. Now let's say this is center O. Here we have to find length of the chord. AB is how much? I am drawing this radius OP, radius of smaller circle, which is 3 cm, and radius of bigger circle is 5 cm. OB is 5, and we know first theorem says OP radius and AB tangent. AB is chord to the bigger circle and AB is tangent to the smaller circle. Right? Radius and tangent are perpendicular. So this triangle OPB is right angle triangle. So height square plus base square is hypotenuse square. That means height square is 3 square plus PB square is equal to hypotenuse square 5 square. 9 plus PB square is equal to 25. PB square is 25 minus 9, that means 16. So PB is 4. So this PB length is 4 cm. Now we know that the property of circle perpendicular from the center to the chord divides the chord into two halves. So AP is equal to PB. So AP is also 4 cm. This is 4, this is 4. Total AB is 8 cm. Understood? Let's look look at this question. Question says quadrilateral ABCD circumscribes the circle. Okay. Then prove that AB plus CD, sum of the opposite sides are equal. This side, opposite side is equal to BC plus AD. Fine. Now let's solve this. Left hand side is AB plus CD. This side plus this side. LHS is AB plus CD. I am writing AB as AP plus BP. AP plus BP. Now CD as CR plus RD. Okay, CR plus RD. Now second theorem क्या बोलता है? Length of the tangents are equal. As this quadrilateral circumscribes the circle, so sides are tangent to the circle, right? Then AB and AD are tangents. Then AP and AS are length of the tangent from point A. Okay, so they are equal. Similarly, BP is equal to BQ. Similarly, this side CR is equal to CQ. Fine. Similarly, DR is equal to DS. Now, I am writing AP as AS because they are equal. BP as BQ. अभी मैं CR को CQ लिखूंगी प्लस RD को DS लिख सकती हूँ. Now, this AS plus DS is complete side AD. Now, middle terms BQ plus CQ is BC, complete side. So this is our right hand side. So hence it is proved. Sum of the opposite sides are equal if quadrilateral circumscribes the circle. Understood? Hope you like this video. Thank you, students.